Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy trade on Quantower trading platform. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is open up Quantower trading platform. Then from here we need to connect your broker or exchange. So to do this, I like to use DX feed on the top here and then search for connections and find your broker. So if I want to use Binance Spot, for example, I can. Then I want to put API key, secret key, margin as well. There's all these different options here. Bybit. Yeah, so just go ahead and so if I want to do Canon trading, put in my user ID, password, and also with your server, go ahead and choose your server and then click on connect. Now, once you've done all that, we need to head on over on the far left and click on the logo. And then under trading, you will see copy trading. So click on the copy trading option and now a little box should appear like so. Now, once this is open, we want to click on the little plus icon. Now, then click onto yes. And then it will say, give you a little warning here, trading protection system is active. Now, new copy trading bot. So you can give this bot a name, description, parent connection, parent account, and your connections here. Now, once you've filled all this in, you can also click on advanced settings and have a look at the options there to change, and then click save.